Oh my god. They're running.
Got their butts.
Oh, come on, get in the car, Mom. They'll just run away from us, so we'll get closer to them. Get it! Mom, get in the car!
Oh my
Get in the car, let's go. Get in the car. We gotta go. You can videotape them from in the car.
Oh my goodness.
What are those, mooses? Or
No,
what?
they're caribou.
Oh my god, I think he farted.
I think they're caribou.
Here, roll down your window.
Oh, look at all of them.
I think they're caribous. It's too strong to be out. I'm trying to. I don't know what they're not caribou. They gotta be like some type of deer.
Oh man, that's so cool.
Mom's getting out. Oh, great. Mom's getting out. Cody, get in the
Oh my god, look how many of them there are.
Hey, Carly,
Yeah.
you know it's going to be dark in an hour and you only have one headlight, huh?
Oh no, I can use my brights and then it looks like I have two lights.
Perfect. Okay,
Yeah.
I was going to say it's
That's
gonna be
how I
hairy
roll.
getting home.
This is one
It's
of
just
the
a little
largest
trickery.
citrus trees in the United States. This is what we make the arrows out of.
What is this? Blue spruce? Citrus spruce. Oh, cool.
That's as big as the sequoia.
Oh wow.
Lord.
Hoh Rainforest blue spruce. Look at our out here. Biggest one in the north. This is what Nick makes his arrows out of. Look how big this monster is.
Intense.
Oh my lord. Wow.
Crazy.
Crazy. This is amazing.
Crazy.
Is this a mushroom?
Oh dang.
Looks like a big one.
Where's that bark from the tree?
Oh my god, I can't believe we live here.
Rusty. Rusty. You want to see what this opens up to?
Look at the growth on this one too. The mushrooms on this one. Yeah, trippy.
Watch out, Rusty.
No.
Y'all want to go back to the car and drive further?
Yeah.